Shopify POS is a powerful point of sale system that is specifically designed for retailers. It combines the e-commerce capabilities of the Shopify platform with a simple and intuitive in-store checkout experience to provide a comprehensive solution for clothing stores looking to streamline their operations and enhance the customer experience. This system is designed to help store owners manage their inventory, process transactions, and collect valuable customer data all in one place. Choosing the right POS system is crucial for the success of a clothing store, as it can greatly impact the overall efficiency and profitability of the business. With Shopify POS, clothing stores can benefit from a versatile solution that will help them grow and succeed in the long term. If you have specific questions for Shopify POS in your situation, just click on the link in the description to speak to a Shopify POS expert. Reason number 1, streamlining your in-store operations. Shopify POS makes it easy to streamline your in-store operations from checkout to inventory management. The system simplifies the checkout process, allowing your customers to quickly and easily make purchases in store. The real-time inventory updates and automatic order fulfillment capabilities ensure that your stock levels are always accurate, reducing the risk of overstocking or running out of popular items. This can also improve the overall in-store experience for your customers, as it will be able to find what they're looking for and make purchases quick and efficient. By streamlining your in-store operations, Shopify POS can help you improve your store's efficiency and profitability. Reason number 2, enhance customer experience with personalized marketing. Shopify POS collects valuable customer data such as purchase history and preferences that can be used to create personalized marketing campaigns. This data allows you to create targeted and relevant promotions that will appeal to your customers, improving their loyalty and increasing sales. By delivering personalized and relevant messages, you can build strong relationships with your customers and create a more positive in-store experience for them. With Shopify POS, you can use customer data to your advantage and enhance the overall customer experience, leading to increased customer satisfaction and profitability of your clothing store. Reason number 3, manage your business from anywhere. Shopify POS allows you to manage your business from anywhere, giving you real-time access to important information such as sales and inventory levels. This flexibility means that you can keep a close eye on your business, even when you're not physically in the store, allowing you to make informed decisions quickly and efficiently. The real-time sales tracking and inventory management capabilities of Shopify POS make it easy to stay on top of your business, no matter where you are. With this level of control, you can focus on growing your clothing store, secure in the knowledge that you have all the information you need to succeed at your fingertips. Well, reason number 4, integrate with other Shopify tools and apps. Shopify POS integrates seamlessly with other Shopify tools and apps, allowing you to easily manage your entire business from one central location. Whether you're looking to create and manage an online store, run targeted marketing campaigns, or track sales and inventory, Shopify POS has you covered. The platform's extensive app store offers a wide range of tools and integrations that can be customized to your specific needs, giving you the flexibility to build the perfect solution for your clothing store. With Shopify POS, you can streamline your operations, enhance the customer experience, and grow your business, all while using the tools and integrations that work best for you. In conclusion, Shopify POS offers a comprehensive and versatile solution for clothing stores looking to streamline their operations, enhance the customer experience, and grow their business. With its user-friendly interface, real-time inventory updates, and integration with other Shopify tools and apps, Shopify POS is a smart choice for any clothing store looking to succeed in today's competitive retail landscape. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, Shopify POS is the solution you need to achieve your goals. So why wait? Start using Shopify POS today and take your clothing store to the next level. Hit the link in the description.